Welcome to HTML programming course. In this video, we will see about some of the extension in Visual Studio Code, that is Live Server and Emmet. Let's get started. To get a better and easy development experience, we can install some useful extension in Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code and I'm opening the HTML file that I'm already having. This is the simple HTML file which is having one head element and one body element. In the head tag, we define the title as web page, and in the body tag, we define one heading element and a paragraph element. Now, I'm opening this HTML file using browser. And here, we are seeing that heading and paragraph. Now, I'm modifying this HTML file by adding one more heading element. And I am saving this file by using the shortcut Ctrl+S. In the web browser, the changes are not getting reflected once you saved the HTML code. To see the changes, we have to refresh this link in the browser, and now we can see the heading element we have added now. This is quite annoying, and if we work on the larger projects, it will take more time. To solve this problem, we can install an extension called Live Server. To install this, go to Extension tab and search for Live Server. Select the Live Server extension and then click Install to install this extension in Visual Studio Code. Now the Live Server extension is getting installed in Visual Studio Code. Let's see how it works. To launch this HTML file using Live Server, just right click on the file and just select the option Open with Live Server. This file is opened in browser using Live Server. Now I'm keeping it side by side so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now I'm again altering this HTML file by adding one more paragraph element. Let's see how it works once you saved the file. As soon as I saved the file, the changes are getting reflected in the tab which is loaded with Live Server. But in the previous tab, where the HTML file is directly open, the changes are not getting reflected. Once you refresh the link in the browser, it will get reflected. Now I'm adding one more paragraph element to see how it works. That's all about Live Server extension. Now we will see what is Emmet extension. To see this, I am opening a new file and then saving the file with .html extension. I am giving the file name as emmet.html. This Emmet extension will provide a fast development experience. Now I am typing exclamatory mark and then press tab. This will give the entire HTML document structure. Now I am launching this file using Live Server. In the body element, I'm trying to add paragraph element. To get the structure easily, just type P and then press tab. This is the purpose of having Emmet. Let's try to add one more heading element. To get the heading element, just type H1 and then press tab. Now I'm adding one more heading element to see how it works. So that's all about Emmet. In the next video, we will see about HTML heading elements. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment this video. If you want to stay up to date with our latest content, please subscribe to my channel, Spider Tech Hub. Thank you.